Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Clockify to track your time, create timesheets, log your work hours, and more. So let's see how. First, you need to create your own account. Here I will just log into my account. And this is how Clockify looks like. So before you can use your time tracker, you first need to create a project so that you can track it. So let's go to projects here in Manage. Then let's press on Create New Project. And here I will enter the project name into Tutorial, for example, and I will select the client. So I have no clients yet, so I will add a client called Sarah. And I will press on this to create a client. And if you want to create a template, you will have to subscribe to the premium version. So I will just leave it because I'm on the free version currently. And I will use this project to be public, and I will choose a color for it. Let's say, for example, brown, and let's create our project. And it has been created. Now let's go to our clients, and here you will find that Sarah has been successfully added. Then now let's return to our projects once more. If you clicked on this project, you will be able to access on different tabs which help you to identify better your own project. So here in tasks, you can add tasks. For example, let's add maybe record tutorials and press add. Then you can also add build a community, for example. Then record shorts add. So we have here 3 tasks. You can also go to access to control who can edit on this project. So you can make it private or you can make it public. And here you can add members who can edit on this project. Now let's go to status. There are no status here since the project is still new and we didn't work on it. So you will see that everything in it is just 0. The hours is 0 and the amount is 0. Now you can also scroll down to see the tasks here. Now let's go to forecast. There is nothing to be done here. You can also add note here, and you can control the settings of this project from here. You can edit the name, you can edit the client, you can edit the color, you can choose whether it's billable or not, so we will make it billable. And you can also choose your hourly rate. Now let's press on set rate here. And for example, let's say $50 per hour. And press on save. And now let's just estimate our project. I will choose no estimate here. Or let's say time estimate, for example. And I will say that the maximum amount of hours that I suspect that this project will consume is maybe 100 hours. Or I can use it as a task-based instead. So let's just make it manual and 100 hours here. Perfect. So by this way, you have configured your own project. Now it's time to track its performance. So now let's go to Time Tracker here. And now let's enter the project from here and choose Tutorial. Perfect. And after that, we will start calculating our time. So this way, your project is started to be monitored and to be supervised on time basis so that you can create time logs for your own project. This $sign means that these hours are billable. If you clicked on this, this means that these hours are not billable. So I will just activate it. It will be marked as blue. And you can also add what you are working on here. And once you are done, you can just press on stop and your time tracker is done. So we can press on stop and it's done. You can also activate start here, or let's just close it. You can also go to your own timesheet from here, or you can just go from here, timesheet. So you can enter manually the hours, the working hours that you used for this project. So let's say that in Monday I worked for an hour. No, this is a minute. I will make it an hour. And here I will make it 2 hours, for example. 3 hours. So this way I am literally entering manually all the hours that I consumed on my project on different days, just like that. And once I'm done, it's all calculated. So in order to see your insights and reports of your recorded time tracking and timesheet, you can go to your own dashboard here, and you will find how you consumed your time on your projects. So basically, Wednesday we worked the most on our project, and here on Tuesday and Thursday they are the second place, and the third place is on Monday and Friday. So this is basically how you can see your performance. Now you can also access on reports. However, many of them are only accessible from the premium version. So you can see a summary from here. You can see detailed. You can see it all. You can see the amount of money that you acquired on each day, and you can see how many time you consumed on each day. You can also ask for weekly report from here. You can access attendance and assignments. However, I believe these two are only for premium versions. Yeah, exactly. They require upgrading. So this is how you can see the summary of your own performance in different projects. You can also go to teams to control who to add as your team members. You can also go to tags so that you can add tags to different projects. And you can go to kiosks here. This is actually a nice feature. So if we pressed on create kiosk here, we need to activate it first. Now, if we pressed on create kiosk and I entered the name, the assignees, let's choose everyone, for example. The project, I choose tutorial, and I created. Now it will give me a link that I can copy and I can send to my teammates or coworkers so that they can record their own time and their own working hours in the timesheet of Clockify. So this is basically how you can use Clockify Time Tracker. This brings us to the end of our tutorial today. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel for more valuable tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.